ba fumana thupelo ya ho fehla motlakase le disebediswa tsa motlakase.
We finish our courses, we qualify, then we go sit at home. That is why we see crime rate is going up. Right now, the people who are busy stealing copper or stealing, these people, they are very educated.
In order for you to steal something like this, you need to know the basics of how to install it and maintain and do the maintenance on it. So it's basically people with skills, and they have the tools to do all those things and steal from the state and sabotage ESCOM. Hence, we have power cuts recurring almost every day.
Weding e tlang, basadi ba tla fumana thupelo.
This is the future because I can climb a roof. So if I can climb a roof, so can you. And yes, we do need men. However, even women can take this industry far.
Currently enrolled with Nkangala FET College Witbank campus. I am here because I enrolled with Nkangala to do the renewable energy course.
Dingata tse ka etswang mona.
I think you are fully aware, ma'am, that the Komati power station at the moment is closing. And we will engage the leadership of ESCOM. We will want to start training people there at Komati, either the retrenched employees or the current employees, with the aim of using that particular power station to be the one where we will be installing power and share or sell that power to other institutions or to other municipalities.
Tona la ditjhelete la naga ya Amerika le etetse setsha sena, mme o bolela hore ba tla thusa Afrika Borwa ka ditjhelete hore ho tle ho rupellwe ma-Afrika Borwa haholo batjha ka disebediswa le ho hona ho betla ditshebeletso tse nepahetseng tsa disebediswa tsa motlakase.
I did discuss the South Africa's JET-P with both President Ramaphosa and also the Energy Minister. And we did discuss that what we're doing is trying to support a set of plans that South Africa has devised itself that involve a gradual transition and a recognition that we need to support communities that are affected by that transition.
Yellen o khutlela naheng ya gaabo tsatsing la kajeno. Sophie Mokoena, SABC News, Johannesburg.